In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert tick box symbols in Google Docs. If you want to add a check mark, a tick box, or a ballot box with a check inside your document, Google Docs gives you a very simple built-in way to do it. This is especially useful if you're creating a checklist, a form, notes for a meeting, or any document where you want visual symbols to make the content easier to read. To begin, open your Google Docs document and place your cursor exactly where you want the symbol to appear. This is important because whichever symbol you choose will be inserted right at that location. So before opening any menus, just take a second to click into the right line or section of the document. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert. Then choose Special Characters. This opens a character selection window that lets you search through a large library of symbols. If you've never used this tool before, don't worry, it's very straightforward, and it's one of the easiest ways to find symbols that aren't available directly on your keyboard. Once the Special Characters window appears, click into the search box and type a word like check or tick. As you type, Google Docs will automatically show matching symbols. You may see options such as a standard checkmark, a heavy checkmark, or a ballot box with a check. This search method is usually the fastest option when you already know the kind of symbol you want. Here is also another useful way to find the symbol. Instead of typing in the search box, you can use the drawing pad inside the window and sketch either a box shape or a check mark. As you draw, Google Docs will try to recognize the shape and display similar symbols on the left side. This can be especially helpful if you are not sure what the symbol is called, or if the search term doesn't bring up exactly what you need. When you see the symbol you want, simply click on it. For example, you might choose heavy check mark for a bold, clear check symbol, or ballot box with check if you want something that looks more like a completed checkbox. As soon as you click the symbol, it will be inserted into your document at the cursor position. After that, you can continue typing. Insert more symbols, or close the Special Characters window when you are done. If you plan to use the same symbol several times, it can be helpful to copy and paste it throughout the document to save time. And that's how to insert tick box symbols in Google Docs.